Guys, I am up big already. Like, I'm actually up big, so we are gonna play some new trades. We are not gonna gamble though. I'm gonna look for 1 or 2 more entries. I will go over the entries with you. I haven't placed any entries yet. I'm just gonna wait for New York Open, but we closed the long perfectly, so this is such a nice close of the long. Guys, I'm up already today. As you know, I've shared this trade on my Discord as well. And as you can see, this is my entry. So I traded this basically right at the market open. I went into a long. Wait, let me make sure you also see it on TikTok. There we go. Now TikTok should be working as well. So this is my entry here. I posted this in the Discord as well. We had a bullish order flow at the lows. We were basically at the high time frame order flow level that I also called out last week, and I even longed on Friday, but I hit the stop loss on Friday. We closed it perfectly. So in my Discord, I also told you that I'm closing right here at the anchored VWAP. It has been the exact dollar high, by the way. So beautiful 2.5 hour trade that I took basically, well, not live, but I called it in my Discord. Even yesterday at midnight, I told everyone that I'm gonna go into a long here in the private group. So yeah, beautiful trade so far. They had the same risk. That's really important. The worst thing you can actually do is increase the risk when you're in a win streak. That would be really, really dumb. So I'm gonna risk the same I always do, and we are just gonna wait. I think New York will push it towards 29,100 or max 29,200. That will be my entry point. I'm not gonna short NASDAQ. I'm gonna be kind of honest here. I never short NASDAQ. I only short ES. Shorting NASDAQ, it feels way too risky for me. I only look for longs on NASDAQ, but you can do whatever you want. Yeah, let's see, guys. We are being patient. We took the best trade of the day already. Like, I actually already took the best trade of the day. So I cannot be upset at all. We are up 10k from this one trade, guys. And how long did it take me to make that much? I can tell you right here. So I opened this trade at midnight, right at midnight. You can see it here. This is my entry. And I fully closed it at 2 p.m. Almost 2 p.m. So I held this trade for 13 hours. And by the way, really interesting, guys. I looked at my stats again, and honestly, I have the highest win rate on trades that I hold the longest. And we have, well, we are just flying on the New York Open candle. 7589. Alright, also 7589. Now let me quickly see. Do we actually have a daily order for level as well? We are just flying right now. Oh, this is NASDAQ. Oops. And it is also the anchored VWAP. I mean, this is a really nice setup. So I'm gonna place one long here, guys, but I'm only gonna risk one contract on this one. And we are gonna close it for... I might just do a 1 hour trade from here, actually. Just because I'm up big already, so I don't want to hold trades too long. So we are gonna do a 1 hour trade here only, quick 1 hour. There we go. So what are the people on TikTok waiting for? Are you guys in a long or in a short? I mean, if you breached your account, there's nothing you can do, I think. User prop from X. If you actually breached your account... Oh, are you trolling, bro? Yeah, I think this guy's trolling, man. Oh, he did no. Actually, guys, he's not trolling. Like, it sounds like it sounds like he's too emotional. So it sounds like he wanted to long, but because he was somehow afraid of something, he entered the short. That is really strange. You just have to trust your plan, man. You have to actually trust your plan and follow your strategy. It doesn't sound like you have an issue with your strategy. It's more a mental thing. Do the sellers have some insider news? Oh wait, I need to post stream. I forgot to actually post stream. You made the entry, Soto. No, I'm still waiting. This is my entry. 7510, you can see it here. This is my first entry. 7510, stop loss 7490, and if we actually wait, we're gonna place this a bit lower. I only want to risk $100 on this trade though. It's not like, it's not an A+ setup, but it is a decent setup. 1 hour level, we have an order for level, we have the anchored VWAP. And what else do we have? We are up, so don't be greedy. The worst thing you can do after you're up, guys, is being greedy. Like, why would I force any entry that is not good if I'm already up 10k on the day? That makes no sense. Plus, I already longed this move. I already made all the money from this low. Like, we already made money off this move. Why would I enter a low quality setup? I might even, maybe we should even wait a bit longer. I'm not gonna lie. I might even place this a bit lower. Like, it is not looking too good right now. Alright, so guys, guess what? Guess what the exact low was. And if you don't believe me, go back in time on the stream. I showed you that level. Guess where the exact dollar low was? At the order flow level. Once again, 7517. I called this one out and we already pumped 7 points from it. So this is not like a coincidence that we've seen a move from here. I just didn't want to long this. I'm gonna wait for the next entry. Next order flow level. Why? Because I already made money from this level. It is not for deep low enough for me to enter. We are about to hit that level, man. It is getting interesting, guys. Should I take it with one? I mean, I'm not sure actually. It is not the best. It is a decent setup, but it is not the safest. Like, this is this much better entry. We have an order for level. You have the anchored VWAP here though. Yeah. And we have this 50-minute support level. I think I'm gonna play it safe, guys. Like, we are up 10k. Why would I risk one more? I don't want to risk not losing 3k on that setup here. Like, I'm happy with just being up 10k. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Damn, you have massive up P&L. Congrats. Yes, we are up big. I actually longed this at midnight. I was awake until 3 AM. So Swiss time, I was awake until 12 PM in Switzerland. Then I took it long and I closed it here at 2 PM, so we had this long open for 13 hours. I was awake until 3 AM though yesterday and woke up at 11 in Swiss time. And now I'm just waiting. So this was actually a long that I called on stream, which was an order for level. I moved my entry to this low just because I'm up big today and I don't want to be greedy. Like, why would I be greedy? So yeah. Oh man, we are pumping again from this level and it actually looks bullish now. Why? Because we had a lot of sellers into that low and we didn't make a new low. It actually looks bullish now. Oh, this is unreal. We couldn't break it. I was really hoping for a break. Yeah, but I'm still gonna wait, guys. I just don't know. I don't want to rush a trade. I'm not gonna trade the level. Like, I'm gonna wait for this. This is the safest entry, the best level. So this setup has just a much higher probability. Patience, guys. Patience is the most important thing, trust me. Like, it is always the same thing, guys. Like, you will, if you've been trading for a while, like, if you are actually also profitable, you know what I'm talking about, because it is always like this. If you rush into a trade, in a low quality trade, you will get stopped out and you just will be patient. Like, whenever I rush into a trade, I get stopped out and the market always punishes me for not being patient. So I'm not gonna be here like up 10k and risk losing 3k on a low quality setup when I'm already up 10k. That would just be greedy. It would be completely greedy. Like, the market doesn't go away, guys. If in the worst case, I will end up with, I will end the day with 10k profit. And then I will just trade again tomorrow. Why would I just be greedy now? We are getting really close, guys. We're almost filled on the next trade. And this is gonna be the last trade of my day. Last trade of the day. So if we hit take profit, I'm also done. Come on, 5 points to go, guys. Alright, 4 points to go. There's no way we don't take out that low before going higher. We have so much liquidity there as well. You can see it here in the volume profile. Guys, I'm being so patient on this trade. Like, it is absolutely insane. 2 hours of looking at candles and order flow, and we are just not going to my entry. It is actually... The market is really playing with our emotions right now. And see you tomorrow. We'll do another big giveaway tomorrow, and hopefully another nice live trade. Thank you guys for watching.